choice today with the 2017 Jaguar XE. The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads.
This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear wheel drive, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.